Bacon Cheeseburger Bandito sliders. Dude, it's been a minute since the Bandido has been on set.
Oh, he is back.
But today is the day. What's up, everybody? I am CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right over there is Nate.
Hey.
That is Ethan.
Hello.
And that is
Hello.
none of your business.
Come up here.
I can't believe it.
Oh, Mike.
I was on TV!
Today is going to be a good one, guys. This is such a brilliant combination of flavors.
Is it brilliant? You know what
Yes.
brilliant means? Brilliant means shiny. We've been misusing that word forever. I'm guilty of it too. Is it shiny? Then it's not brilliant. I know what you meant though.
Are you a jerk?
No.
Is that the right term?
It's the thesaurus.
It's brilliant.
This is gonna be a long one.
So come on, everyone! It's CJ's first show!
First thing we're gonna do is start off with some thick cut right bacon because it's thick
That's right.
and it's right
And
and
it's
it's
right.
good. Get it nice and perfectly
Nice
cooked
and right.
on both sides, and then we're gonna slide it off. But
We taking it to an 8?
we're
A
taking
9?
We're taking it to that.
10?
These go to 11.
I don't want a chip.
So you're at an 8?
I'm at like a 7
7,
in
4?
a perfect world. And well, let me get all this here.
Like a Dave Portnoy scale, a 7, 2?
Yeah,
It's a good
dude.
score.
That's a good score. It's a good score, dude. I love Dave Portnoy. That guy's so much fun to watch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey,
Hey.
80-20 beef. Let's head back over this way.
Oh, I'm following you.
We're gonna utilize our bacon fat.
Oh, yeah. Whoa! I thought you were making sliders.
I am
What the?
not making a slider. I'm using slider bun style. This is a kind of a chopped cheese.
See?
It's into the territory of chopped cheese.
Gotcha.
But it's gonna have all the aspects of a bacon cheeseburger, including the 3 components that make a Bandido.
Oh, do it. Test him.
Ethan,
There it is.
tell me what 3 ingredients without looking down. What 3 ingredients are in a Bandido?
Fritos,
Oh, okay, what kind?
1.
What kind?
chili cheese,
Okay.
cheese. I did this last time.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Ground beef.
Just look.
Jalapeno slices.
No.
Really?
Uh-uh.
Onion?
Onions, barbecue, chili cheese, Fritos.
Okay.
Cheese, come on.
Well, I got one of them.
That doesn't.
I reckon it'll fetch us enough cash for a good used auto voiture and a little leftovers.
But
Welcome to the
make
show,
no
Ethan.
that don't make no sense.
It's a fool who looks for logic in the chambers of the human heart.
Let's stir these guys. Dude, these spatulas, I know you prefer like the big
Oh,
the
those
wide
are the,
ones.
the Griddle Week ones.
These are those griddle week,
Yeah,
dude, like
cool.
custom.
It's like if Batman had spatulas.
Yeah, that's exactly right, dude. But which Batman? Tim Burton Batman or
Oh.
the Joel Schumacher Batman?
Christian Bale.
Christian, or like
Vampire.
right next to it. What's it?
Jeez, I keep
Dude,
getting in our
you guys
steps
need to
today,
get your
Ethan.
steps in. We got that component that goes with a Bandido.
onion.
Got to have some sauteed onions. You guys stay there.
Okay,
Don't walk.
I'm staying right here.
Just chill. Got some salt going in. Got a little coarse black pepper, of course.
Pepper.
And
Pepper.
we're gonna season our beef. Blackstone Bootleg Burger.
Bootstrap Bill.
They look good, Jack.
This is such a great seasoning.
Oh, it smells
Put it
good.
on beef, bro.
So do you normally dice it like that? The onions? Don't you
Well-
julienne?
If it depends on the application.
In this case.
In this case, we're going like this. But
Okay.
you know, on the traditional
You pick it up what you're putting down.
Frito Bandido burger, it was more of a
It's been a
julienne.
hot minute since we did a Bandido.
I know, dude. That's why I'm excited about this. We're gonna, we got.
You right?
No, you know what we're gonna do?
What?
Since we have a second, let's talk about our rolls here.
Okay.
If you wanted to find any kind of random slider, you could, and you just kind of mount it up in there, or small burgers, patties, or
Little
burger
bun.
buns. But these are so good. Number
Actually,
one,
these aren't slider rolls. These would be called mini burgers because a slider is technically what you get at like McDonald's.
yes,
That's a slider.
yes, yes,
True.
yes, yes. He's not wrong, but I'm
So
calling
these
him
would
a
be mini
slider.
burgers.
They'd be called what?
Mini burgers.
But they're not in a burger shape. They're like a chopped cheese.
So they're not burger at all.
Nope.
Got it.
We're gonna slice these guys in half.
Ooh.
This is actually kind of...
Look at this technique, ladies and gentlemen. Gorgeous. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, I'm just kidding. You're doing good.
I'm trusting your judgment over
Yeah,
there.
you're good. Whoa, whoa, down, down. A little down.
Down?
A little down, a little down. Yeah, you're good. Yep.
Okay, then we're just committing.
Keep going. Second start.
To the right and straight on till morning.
There you go.
There we are. Thank you. Because last time I did this,
Slow
it did
clapping?
not. Woo! Woo! Did not go so well last time, but this time it did. All right. We'll be back in a second. We're gonna talk about these non-burger buns. These are gonna chill, but these are not gonna chill. Burgers,
Oh, there's the aroma.
the beef, the onions.
Put that in a bottle and call it Colonia.
Colonia.
Impetuous.
Cheese, baby! We're gonna let this sit for just a second. Whoa. We're gonna let that melt there. While
Okay.
that's melting, time for that bacon.
It's a mound of cheese.
Yeah, it is.
Pile.
There
Did we
we go.
decide which word
I
sounds
don't-
nicer? Pile or
I don't
mound?
think that we decided. I don't think anybody decided. I think we were leaving it to the comments and we never really got to that part.
Yeah.
Bacon. It's not necessary for a Bandito, but I
do it anyway because it's sterile and
just like it. Feel like Maddie Matheson right now. Just gotta go with it. All right?
Some fresh cracky pepper.
Little cracky peppy. Dude, I love that guy. Take your bacon.
Okay.
Let's go back over here.
Okay.
Dropping her in.
On the mound.
Dropping, throwing in the bacon.
Pretty good, Maddie.
It's not bad. Oh, dang it, my hands are oily.
Are you sure they're not just wimpy?
Nope, I couldn't do it either.
No. Fine. We already
loosened it.
We loosened it for you.
Ethan. Man hands over here. That's what
I
they
know.
call them.
The old man hands.
White lightning.
Oh, or Viper?
Viper.
He will also accept Super Thing, King, Kid Dynamite, Chocolate Thunder, or Dead.
We got some heat, bro.
Heat,
Some
bro.
Bandito heat, and I actually wanted
you?
pre-diced jalapenos, but
I
they
did
didn't
not get
have
them.
them.
They did, I just didn't get them to you.
That's exactly right.
Man, that looks good. Just like that.
Hold on. Exactly. That's the perfect sound effect for what just. Thank you very much. All right, now we mix. Now we mix. The cheese is going to incorporate, start melting more, get all ooey and gooey.
Yep.
Going to turn our heat down. Actually, really,
This is one of those
low.
like maybe tailgating or game day type foods. You can
Because-
load the griddle up,
Yeah,
do 100 of these at one time.
like little tailgate sliders.
Mini burgers, but yeah.
But yeah, that too. There
Mini-
that's what we're going to go with.
Nailed it.
Diddy?
P. Diddy.
Okay, I'll accept that as well. Now what we've got here,
What? Oh, over
we
here?
got some bacon and beef fat.
Oh,
You just kick it, buddy.
you kick it! Tommy Toaster. Look at this.
Tommy Toaster.
Toast it.
Oh. Thank you, senor.
Ooh,
We're gonna get some texture, y'all. Not necessary, but
I like
I
it.
find it to be a really great option. We're gonna ring it and bring it, and then we're building.
That's it?
Dude,
Where do the Fritos come in?
you're gonna have to wait and see.
All right. I guess I'll just wait.
Spicy. Perfectly toasted. Let's get these guys flipped over. Pro move, use a spatula or two, or tongs, or a friend if you have one. A friend in need is a friend indeed. We've got some of this awesome barbecue sauce from the Tailgate Foodie. Their sauces are rad. Today we're using their classic barbecue sauce. Get a nice drizzle of that and start piling it on, dude. You got the
Pile.
spicy
Pile
from...
or mound? We haven't figured it out.
I'm saying piling, so I guess
Pile's
it
good.
makes sense. We've
It
got
looks like a chopped cheese.
cheesy bacon and jalapenos and onions, dude. It's just awesome. I know, right? And couldn't be a Bandito without those chili cheese Fritos, some more barbecue sauce. Flip it over.
Guilty pleasure.
Try to bring it over to the board without dropping
Feel
it.
bad about myself for wanting it.
And then cut it up into mini little tailgating barbecue bacon chopped cheese-ish,
Mini burgers.
sloppy Joe-ish, little slider-ish things. And they're good. It's a guilty pleasure food. I mean, that's all there is to it. It's not necessarily
You're not gonna be all pinkies up.
Now, there's nothing classy about this, but if you are tailgating, watching the game, or you just got a hankering for some really good food.
It may not be classy, but it sure is sassy. The ladies getting all sassy, eating soups.
I'm telling you, texture makes a difference. You didn't have to toast it, but doing so,
Okay.
that's the moneymaker. Need a little extra barbecue sauce. Ethan, what do you think about these?
I don't know. I haven't tasted it.
All the components coming together. It's money. Leave out the jalapenos if you don't like the heat.
Vinegar's probably a nice touch in there.
It is. It goes with barbecue sauce so well. Like it did in my barbecue chicken enchiladas.
Yeah. Yep. Good call. Those were his enchiladas.
Let me know how I did.
burgers.
Would you try it? You don't have to make it, but would you try it? If you've never had the Bandido, you have to try
Bandidi.
it. The Bandidi?
Bandidi.
It's the Bandidi. Try it. Let me know in the comments. But speaking of comments, it is time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Come one, come all. This is a good time for everyone to be a part of.
Yeah.
If you've never been here before, this is where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
That we do.
If you guys write it.
We read it.
That is right. All the fun ones, all the mean ones, all the everything in between ones.
That rhymed.
Yes, it did. And starting from the top in no particular order, this is from Johnny Pena.
Johnny be good.
Johnny says, doesn't look appealing, nor authentic. I'm 100% sure I said it wasn't authentic.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't.
You're talking about you or the food?
Dude, I'm 100% authentic. Back off, son.
The real deal right
I'm
here,
the real
guys.
deal.
I was just asking a question.
Yeah, well, you were talking and nobody said you could talk.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. Johnny Pena.
Pena?
Pena coladas.
No, disassemble. That's where I went with Johnny.
This isn't truth serum, because I don't feel anything. That was a lie. I do feel something. This is truth serum.
All right, this is from William Perkins. Old
Hey,
William says, great video, buddy. Strike that. Verse it. He said verse. It'd have been funnier if you said reverse. Love it, brother. I thought it was pretty clever.
It's good.
Also, Wonka. What do you guys think?
Oh, I haven't seen it yet.
Mixed reviews out there. Yes,
With,
my daughters.
Timothy Champagne.
How do you say it?
Chardonnay.
What?
Champagne.
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay.
Oh, Timothy Chardonnay.
Hey.
Little
delay on the Chardonnay.
That's right.
You lose. Good day, sir.
Okay, this next one is from Brett Cottrell.
Bret Hart.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, cool.
Brett Cottrell says, love your show, love all the movie references. My husband watches your show all the time, and he's got me hooked. We've made several of your dishes, all amazing. Can't wait to get home on Thursday. We've ordered a bell so we can ring it and bring it when he cooks too. Let us know when you get more Nadu t-shirts. I have to have one. Keep it up. We look forward to the new episodes. Tammy and Brett from Colorado.
Hey,
well,
Tammy
Tammy and
and
Brett, specifically Tammy, the Nadu shirts, they're in. Got to go down the rabbit hole or rabbit trail.
The troll.
The troll.
Rabbit troll.
Find a rabbit troll.
That'd be a terrifying creature.
It's an awful
a rabbit
creature.
troll?
Go to our It's a Party channel and page on Instagram. You can find the link. Nah, dude. It's a party. Wow. Thanks, Tammy.
So aggressive.
Hey, Brett.
Did you learn that on Sesame Street?
He didn't know.
How to get to Sesame Street? How to get to Sesame Street?
Did you know that Kermit the Frog was actually an original cast member of the Sesame Street? And
Wait, really?
yeah, he was in the original cast. And Kermit the Frog is kind of like a persona of Jim Henson.
Wow.
Yeah.
So was it just a spin-off then?
What, the Muppets?
Yeah. Oh, wait, who came first, the chicken or the frog?
It's a great. It had to have been.
Well, let me Google it.
Okay, Bruce Boyles5875 says,
Boyles.
Oh, Boyles rules. What a joke. You're not that funny, and most people could care less. You trying to be funny.
A Boyles rule. Boyles rule.
Dang, dude. Why you gotta come
So
at me like
angry.
that, bro? Makes me really sad.
Sesame Street was first.
Sesame Street was first.
Sesame Street was first.
Sesame Street's first.
Boyles last.
Yeah, you are. Thanks for the comment, though. Okay, this is funny, dude. There's some kind of mishap going on here that I don't think that fashion.tampa Bay is picking up on.
Well, you are a fashion trendsetter.
Fashion Tampa Bay says, I've been a dedicated viewer of your older videos, but I had to stop halfway through this one due to the frequent use of short clips.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but I couldn't help but feel the team might have been too casual during its production. I'm a bit puzzled about the shift from the old concept to this new one, as it hasn't really resonated with me. Sadly, I won't be continuing with this video. Wishing you the best of luck, though.
That's a very thoughtful negative comment.
Yeah.
I bet they're for fun at parties.
Yeah.
I think that they think my show is your show.
What? Why?
Because they're talking about the new format, and everybody on the set is too casual. There's been no other format. This is the format.
No.
I can't pull over anymore. We've already pulled over.
You think if there's a negative comment on your show that they must be talking about my show?
I'm a bit puzzled about the shift from the old concept to this new one, as it hasn't really resonated with me. Sadly, I won't be continuing with this video. The clues are there. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego when you need it?
Carmen Sandiego.
Appreciate you guys hanging out. If you want to get something on the OG board, let me know, because somebody, and I don't know who, I'm gonna have to go diving through the DMs on Instagram and Facebook.
Oh, wow, right on. Go Birds.
Sent me this. Go Birds.
Isn't that right?
Go Birds. Dude, I don't know. I don't know what's going on here.
That looks like a terrible towel.
This is a steel. Yeah, wrong. Yeah. That was really mean. I'm gonna find a place to hang it.
Okay.
Some point, but that's where it's gonna go right now. The old terrible towel. In the meantime, go to blackstoneproducts.com. You can go to griddlenation.com, I guess, maybe, perhaps.
All the .coms.
All the .coms, the HTTPSs. But this is CJ's first cooking show.
Yeah.
Where we cook.
And quote.
That's what we do. Thank you guys so much for hanging out.
Let people down in the... Yeah, that's close.
Glitch in the matrix right there. See you guys.